dumbbell bench-seated press targets the shoulders, deltoids, especially the front and middle heads. It improves shoulder strength, stability, muscle growth, posture, and helps build balanced upper body power.
Next exercise.
Cable-leaning lateral raises target the medial deltoids, building shoulder width and definition. This exercise improves shoulder stability, constant tension, muscle balance, posture, and controlled strength through a full range of motion.
Next exercise.
Cable front raises target the anterior deltoids, improving shoulder strength, stability, and muscle definition. The cable provides constant tension, enhancing control, posture, and balanced shoulder development while reducing momentum.
Next exercise.
The easy barbell anti-gravity press targets the chest, triceps, and front shoulders. It improves pressing strength, muscle control, joint stability, and time under tension while reducing shoulder strain.
Next exercise.
Lever-seated reverse fly targets the rear deltoids, upper back, and rhomboids. It improves shoulder posture, strengthens pulling muscles, enhances stability, and helps balance chest-focused training while reducing injury risk.